When you design for AI, are you creating a product or a service? Sounds like a small difference, but knowing the distinction can help change the way that you approach design. If you're new here, hi, I'm Katie, and I'm documenting my 10-week experience with CoCreate, a design program where I'm working with a small team to design for a robotics-based startup called Origami Robotics. We finished up week 4, and we hit a question that really changed the way that I think about designing for AI. After finishing up the visual branding for Origami Robotics, we zoomed out and discussed the bigger picture. What are we actually designing? A lot of people, me included at first, treat AI like a product, something that you build, ship, and use. But after some discussion and lessons, we realized that AI is actually a service. And here's a real-world example. Think about a coffee shop. The product is the drink, but you're also paying for other things like the ambiance, convenience, and maybe Wi-Fi. So overall, the coffee shop is a service because there's both a customer and a provider. So how does this relate to AI? Well, services are dynamic and they come to life every time they're used. So when you design for a service, it forces you to think about all the possible user interactions. Now going back to the coffee shop example, since it's a service, you have to think about multiple factors when you're designing for it. For example, is the Wi-Fi fast? Are there enough outlets? And is there enough parking? Now for an AI tool, this might mean, are the outputs understandable? Is it easy and intuitive to use? And is it a product that people actually need? This distinction between a product and a service is a pretty interesting one that I never really thought of before. And if you're interested in more insights about design, AI, and startups, make sure to follow along as I share the rest of my journey with CoCreate.